So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix issue claiming the same username as Instagram or the Facebook. So guys, to fix the username claiming the issue, ensure all your account are actively linked to the same Meta account. Okay, first of all, to fix the issue claiming the same username as the Instagram, if you get the link error such as error 147007, so it's mean the username is recognized by the Meta but the connection has not registered across the app. To fix this, simply go to the WhatsApp, then go for the option of tools. Here you go for settings, then click the option of settings, and guys here you go for the option of help and feedback and go for the help center. Okay, here you explain your problem and you try to check that it's work or not. Okay, so here you find the option of privacy and security, channels, communicates, chat with business. Okay, and guys, also handle already claimed as the restricted. If you attempt to claim the user exact IGFP handle but are told it taken or contain is restricted word, so you must slightly alter. Meta reverse well-known brand and the public figure names, but identically user level handle cannot be duplicated. Okay, and guys, you add the period or the underscore to create the new one. Okay, then cross the number duplication. If your username belongs to the another phone number connected with your Meta business portfolio, so it would let you see it on your current line. So you will need to force transfer to the handle from the previous number to the initiate the force transfer payload in the Meta Business Developer suite. Okay, and maybe journal app glitch because of the feature is rolling out of the countries. So ensure your WhatsApp is completely updated to the latest version via the Google Play Store. So guys, thank you.